Intermittent fasting. It's been hailed as a weight loss wonder, a magic bullet for better health. But what if I told you the hype might be fading? New research is casting doubt on the long-term effectiveness of this popular diet trend. The truth is, intermittent fasting might not be the miracle cure we once thought. So before you skip another meal, let's dive into the latest findings and explore healthier, more sustainable ways to achieve your weight loss goals. Your journey to a healthier you starts now. Intermittent fasting often delivers impressive short-term results. People lose weight, they feel energized. But what happens when the initial excitement wears off? Studies reveal a common problem. Maintaining weight loss with intermittent fasting can be incredibly challenging. The restrictive nature of this diet can lead to cravings and eventual weight regain. The truth is, our bodies are wired to resist long-term deprivation. When we restrict food intake for extended periods, our metabolism slows down, making it harder to lose weight and keep it off. The good news? There are alternatives to intermittent fasting that offer sustainable, long-term results without the restrictive nature. These approaches focus on building healthy habits rather than extreme calorie cutting. One promising alternative is calorie reduction just 3 days a week. This method, backed by scientific studies, has shown impressive weight loss results while being easier to maintain. Imagine achieving your weight loss goals without feeling deprived or constantly battling hunger pangs. Let's explore these innovative approaches to healthy living. Imagine a diet where you only need to watch what you eat 3 days a week. Sounds too good to be true? New research suggests otherwise. Studies show that reducing calories by 80% on 3 non-consecutive days can lead to significant weight loss, up to 17 pounds in a year. This approach, while still requiring discipline, offers greater flexibility. The best part? This method is easier to stick with long-term, increasing the likelihood of sustained weight loss. It's about finding a balance that fits your life, not upending it. Section 5. The Mediterranean Advantage, eating deliciously for a healthier life. Beyond calorie counting, there's a world of delicious and healthy eating patterns that promote sustainable weight loss. The Mediterranean diet, a shining example, focuses on whole foods and healthy fats. Rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and olive oil, this diet is not only delicious, but also incredibly good for your heart. It's about enjoying food, not fearing it. The Mediterranean diet proves that losing weight doesn't have to mean sacrificing flavor or enjoyment. It's a lifestyle change that nourishes your body and satisfies your taste buds. Section 6. The Hidden Dangers of Intermittent Fasting, What You Need to Know. Intermittent fasting has gained immense popularity in recent years, touted by many as a miracle solution for weight loss and improved health. However, it's important to delve deeper and understand the potential risks associated with this dietary approach. While intermittent fasting may work for some, it's crucial to be aware of the potential downsides. For instance, not everyone responds to fasting in the same way. Some people might experience significant benefits, while others could face adverse effects. It's not a one-size-fits-all solution. This diet isn't suitable for everyone, and certain groups should avoid it altogether. Pregnant women, individuals with a history of eating disorders, and those with certain medical conditions should be particularly cautious. Consulting with a healthcare provider is essential before starting any fasting regimen. Skipping meals can lead to fatigue, headaches, and difficulty concentrating. These symptoms can be particularly challenging for those with demanding jobs or academic responsibilities. The lack of consistent energy intake can make it hard to maintain focus and productivity throughout the day. It can also disrupt social gatherings and make it challenging to enjoy meals with friends and family. Social interactions often revolve around food, and adhering to a strict fasting schedule can make it difficult to participate in these communal experiences. This can lead to feelings of isolation and social discomfort. Furthermore, intermittent fasting can negatively impact hormone levels, sleep patterns, and even heart health. Hormonal imbalances can affect mood, energy levels, and overall well-being. Disrupted sleep can lead to a host of other health issues, including increased stress and decreased cognitive function. Additionally, there are concerns about the long-term effects of fasting on cardiovascular health. It's essential to prioritize your overall well-being and consult with a healthcare professional before making any drastic dietary changes. A balanced approach to nutrition, combined with regular physical activity and mindfulness practices, can often yield better and more sustainable health outcomes. Remember, the goal is to enhance your quality of life, not to compromise it. Section 7. Skipping breakfast. A recipe for heart trouble? You've heard it before, breakfast is the most important meal of the day. But what does that really mean for your health? Let's dive deeper into why this first meal is so crucial, and how skipping it might be more harmful than you think. With the rise of intermittent fasting, many are skipping this crucial meal, potentially putting their heart health at risk. Intermittent fasting has its benefits, but it's important to understand the potential downsides as well. When you skip breakfast, you might be missing out on essential nutrients that your body needs to function optimally throughout the day. Research suggests that skipping breakfast is linked to an increased risk of heart disease. Studies have shown that people who regularly skip breakfast are more likely to have higher cholesterol levels and increased blood pressure, both of which are risk factors for heart disease. Additionally, skipping breakfast can lead to overeating later in the day, which can contribute to weight gain and obesity, further increasing the risk of heart problems. Our bodies rely on that morning fuel to kickstart metabolism and regulate blood sugar levels. When you eat a balanced breakfast, it helps to stabilize your blood sugar levels, providing you with sustained energy throughout the morning. This can improve your concentration and productivity, making it easier to tackle the day's tasks. Instead of skipping meals, consider adjusting your eating window to include a healthy breakfast. This doesn't mean you have to eat a large meal first thing in the morning. Even a small, nutrient-dense breakfast can make a big difference. Think about incorporating foods that are high in fiber, protein, and healthy fats, such as fruits, nuts, and whole grains. Fueling your body properly in the morning can set a positive tone for the rest of the day. When you start your day with a nutritious breakfast, you're more likely to make healthier food choices throughout the day. This can lead to better overall health and well-being, reducing your risk of chronic diseases, and helping you maintain a healthy weight. So, next time you're tempted to skip breakfast, remember the potential impact on your heart health and make the choice to nourish your body instead. Section 8. Finding the right fit personalized diets for lasting success. There's no one-size-fits-all approach to weight loss. What works for one person may not work for another. The key is to find a plan that aligns with your individual needs, preferences, and lifestyle. Consult with a registered dietitian or healthcare professional to create a personalized plan. They can assess your health history, food sensitivities, and weight loss goals to recommend the best course of action. Remember, sustainable weight loss is a marathon, not a sprint. It's about making gradual, lifelong changes that improve your overall health and well-being. Section 9. Your health, your choice. Take control of your weight loss journey. The world of dieting can feel overwhelming. With so many options and opinions out there, it's easy to get lost in the noise. But don't worry, you're not alone in this journey. From fad diets to conflicting information, it's easy to feel lost and unsure where to turn. One day you hear carbs are the enemy, the next day it's fats. The constant barrage of do's and don'ts can leave anyone feeling confused and frustrated. But remember, your health is in your hands. You have the power to make choices that are right for you. It's not about following the latest trend, but about finding what works best for your body and lifestyle. Don't be swayed by quick fixes or extreme measures. These often promise rapid results but can be harmful in the long run. Instead, focus on making gradual changes that you can maintain over time. Instead, focus on building sustainable habits that nourish your body and support long-term health. This means eating a balanced diet, staying active, and taking care of your mental well-being. Small, consistent actions can lead to significant, lasting results. Listen to your body, consult with professionals, and make informed choices. Your body knows what it needs, and professionals can provide guidance tailored to your specific situation. Don't hesitate to seek help when you need it. Your weight loss journey is unique to you. What works for someone else might not work for you, and that's okay. Track your progress, celebrate your achievements, and learn from any setbacks. Every step you take is a step towards a healthier you. Take control, make informed decisions, and celebrate every step of the way. Each milestone, no matter how small, is a victory. Recognize your efforts and be proud of the progress you make. A healthier, happier you awaits. Embrace the journey, stay committed, and enjoy the transformation. Your dedication and perseverance will lead you to a better version of yourself. Remember, it's not just about losing weight, but about gaining health and confidence.